Tonight we've got some wonderful fans of Mr. Alexei Sayle.
Thank you. Good evening. I'm not actually Alexei Sayle this week. I'm here with my band, Radical Posture. Now, as you know, Radical Posture are Britain's first Marxist-Leninist funk Motown band. And we're going to do a number for you tonight about racial conflict. Now, there's been a lot of racial conflict in the world these days. Blacks and whites, Russians and Afghans. I don't know why they pick on them. I think they're really nice dogs. There's only one device that can solve all this racial conflict. What is it? Is it a big melting pot? No! Is it a model railway set? No! Is it a pop-up toaster? Yes! You got it one time to come out round. Pop-up, pop-up, pop-up toasters. You hit the roof and then you spin around. Pop-up, pop-up, pop-up toasters. Well, this is that you need is a pop-up toaster. Stick her head in and see her roaster. And she's looking so much of a boaster about being the colour of a new straw bolster. You got it one time to come out round. Pop-up, pop-up, pop-up toasters. You hit the roof and then you spin around. Pop-up, pop-up, pop-up toasters. Keep your ramblers and your old-style preaching. Social workers and comprehensive teachers. Politicians and a sort of slimy creatures. How my allegiance to more revision. All right, everybody. Now, obviously, you can't solve the world's racial problems by singing along with a simplistic lyric contained in a song. Oh, no, you got to do the dance as well. So I want everybody to do the pop-up toaster. First, you got to think of yourself as a slice of bread. You can be wholemeal, I don't mind. Second, you got to put your hand on your head. That's the round thing at the top of your neck where all the shit comes out. Third, you got to press down. And then fourth, you got to jump up in the air and go, boy!